Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So today we are going to discuss a topic play eco-friendly Holi this year. Okay. So everyone should play eco-friendly Holi every year. Okay. So today we will discuss on eco-friendly Holi. What is eco-friendly Holi? And now Holi celebration is already going on, and we will discuss the benefits of eco-friendly Holi and why people celebrate Holi as a eco-friendly. Okay, so first Ayush will let you know about Holi and Holi celebration.
First of all, I will let you know about what is Holi. So Holi is a festival. Holi is a Hindu festival which is celebrated each year in the season of March. So, what is I want to say the answer? What is eco-friendly Holi?
Yes. According to Hindi mythology or according to Hindu calendar, so Holi is celebrated in the month of Falgun. Okay, so every year we celebrate Holi in the month of Falgun. Means in the middle of March is the starting of March and the ending of March. Okay, and actually I am just telling you everyone, this video will be very helpful for you, because if you are a learner, or just like if you are learning spoken English online, okay, so this will be very useful for you. Means you can make your own sentences with the help of this video. And please watch this video at last, and please do share with your friends and family, and do like and support in your comment section. Okay, Ayush, please be continue.
Yeah. Now I want to ask the answer of what is eco-friendly Holi. So eco-friendly is a Holi type of Holi in which we use eco-friendly things to create colors and things as like using leaves to create the green color, and using mud to create a brown color, and also as using fruits, some type of fruits that are available, by which we can dry them and can create some types of good and useful colors. As in the current times, we see that so many pupils are using local colors which are made by using acids and some type of chemicals which are harmful for us and also for our environment, as it degrades our environment using because of this acid. When the acid reacts with water, it degrades our environment or also affect the trees. As I want to ask about a question, how can we create eco-friendly Holi colors? As moving on the topic, I want to say that we can create eco-friendly Holi colors. As one of the best Holi eco-friendly colors is using plum fruit. As it as I yes sir, as by drying it, we can create so many type of colors as brown, black, purple, as it is a color of.
So Ayush wants to say that means there are some natural products you can use to make some beautiful and just like some beautiful colors. Okay. So next I am inviting Manvi. So Manvi, please come on the stage. So I am inviting one by one each and every student. Okay. So actually we celebrate Holi every year in the Falgun month, and now I am asking a question to Manvi. So Manvi, why we celebrate Holi?
We celebrate Holi to introduce the current generation about the festival of colors and what is the history behind the Holi, and also it is called the festival of colors, and so many things we can do this whole in festival.
So actually Holi is a single day festival or multiple day festival?
So it is a multiple day festival. Like firstly we burn Holi called Holika Dahan, and then we play Holi, and also then Bhai Dooj, and so many more things we do on Holi festival. Like this festival all at least we celebrate it on 5 days.
Next, actually just Manvi, please wait. I am inviting Christy also. So Christy will let you know means why we celebrate Holi. Actually I am not satisfied the answer of Manvi. Okay. So Christy, why we celebrate Holi?
So I think that, and as my opinions, it is the festival for also we make this festival for the Krishna ji, and also it is the festival for just like gather we get together with our family members, make this Holi, and also do some eco-friendly Holis and share our memories and happiness with all the people we have.
Just Christine, now you can go. We can continue with discussion with Manvi. Okay, so Manvi, means have you ever played Holi outside of the city?
No, I never play Holi outside of the city. I always play Holi around my home, like with my friends or my family, and enjoy a lot with them and make some beautiful memories with them.
Manvi, how you celebrate Holi?
So we celebrate Holi with a lot of joy. Like firstly, we play with colors and also play with water, and also make some sweets and some dishes which we enjoy while playing Holi.
You use raw colors or ripe colors?
No, I use raw colors because it is not harmful for our skin, and also it doesn't include that much chemicals, so that we can easily play with them colors.
So next I'm inviting Aradhya. Aradhya will let you know about means how she celebrate Holi, and why actually why we celebrate Holi as a eco-friendly, or means we use some eco-friendly products.
So firstly, happy Holi to you in advance. So I celebrate Holi with my families, as I play with them, then they come to my home and we enjoy a lot with them, and we eat a lot of sweets and enjoy. And it's also like in this on Holi, we also get a little get together with our friends or family with whom we wanna met from, like from very much time, and we are not able to meet them. But when it's Holi, then it's the time when we can meet them. So second, as I asked that why Holi is celebrated as a eco-friendly day. So it is because on Holi, the day it's also called the day of colors, because we celebrate it with help of colors. So for that, we apply colors on each other's face to dedicate this that person is not made up of only one color, it is made up of a lot of colors, that is its feelings or other things. So for that, we are using eco-friendly colors because it do not harms our skin, and the permanent colors that are applied by many people also, they are carried by them till 1 month or a lot of them. So that's why
So next I'm inviting Mr. Harshvardhan. So Harshvardhan will tell you know about means why we celebrate Holi as a eco-friendly products, with eco-friendly products. Actually, there are so many products available in market. Means they are not useful, or they are very harmful for our skin and health. Okay. So sometimes so many cases happen. So Harsh, you will let you know about means why we celebrate Holi with eco-friendly products, and what products we can use.
So we should always use mud colors, and because the ripe colors are very bad for our skin, because there are so many small pieces of glasses come in ripe color.
So actually, how you celebrate Holi every year?
I celebrate Holi every year with joy and raw colors.
So what advice would you like to give our just like our means our society audience?
I want to give advice. We should always use raw color, not ripe color, and we should always care of our skin, when because there are so many small pieces of glass, and many harmful chemical comes in ripe colors.
Yes. If actually if suddenly someone played Holi with us just like with ripe colors, so means what precautions or just like means how can we remove that kind of color?
So first we should always use sarson oil.
Mustard. So actually, we should apply mustard oil on our skin. Means whenever we play Holi, actually we have to take care of our health, or just like our skin. Whenever we play Holi, and just we used some means branded colors. Okay, not use just like in some local colors and some local market colors. Actually, there are some harmful chemicals are in there, that type of colors. Okay, next. I'm inviting Kush. So Kush will let you know about what are the benefits of celebration or celebrate or play eco-friendly Holi.
So advantages of celebrating eco-friendly Holi is that we cannot the others cannot pray us with ripe colors, and we can we use raw colors, and just like many colors are made by flowers or etc. So these are called herbal colors.
Have you ever seen the flower Holi? Actually, in Mathura, Vrindavan, some Krishna ji's places, some persons play Holi with flowers. Okay, so means what are the benefits of if we play Holi with flowers, not color?
No, sir. I have not seen flowers Holi, but I just said that many colors are made with flowers, messing them, and
Next, I am inviting Harshit Yadav. So Harshit will tell you about actually in our country or in some in a whole world means Holi. Some persons plays Holi in different types. Just like I have listened about Lat Mar Holi in Bridge Bhasa Lat Mar Holi. So actually, is there any harmful effect of that kind of Holi, Lat Mar Holi, on some different kinds of Holi? So just tell me about.
So, sir, there is no disadvantage of many kinds of Holi, because they are where people celebrate Holi with great zeal and enthusiasm. But some other religion people jealous from us that why we are celebrating Hindus, just like as we see in today's world, in UP or Bihar, there is an stone fight between the temple, and some Muslims boys uh, do do stone fight. So this is only the disadvantage we have.
Actually, there are so many cases happened every year. Means just Holi celebration of playing Holi. Actually, not about Hindu or Muslim, just all about the some persons who are means already live in society. Means they are not aware of the things. They just celebrate or play Holi with means just like means they have an already settled mind. Means we have to take rights and do this kind of activity for means creating problem for the society and persons. So actually so many cases happened every year. Just I am advising, or just I should advise to everyone, just you have to play Holi as a eco-friendly Holi, means with your friends, family. Means every year so many cases happen. So take care of yourself and your family members as well. Okay, next I am inviting Shivansh. So Shivansh will let you know about Holi celebration.
So in every town or cities, we should play we play Holi with great joy. And some people have allergy of the color of holy color. Some people have allergy, and we I want to tell that we should try to take only kumkum colors, because of in our society or in our area there is no healthy color available. So only a kumkum color is best color to take because kumkum colors is healthy to our skins, and because of the color, they color are raw color, and And in this Holi, I want to tell that Happy Holi.
Okay. So means Shivansh wishes happy Holi to everyone. Okay, next I'm inviting Sumit. Tell me about.
So eco-friendly Holi is a type of Holi. In this Holi, use the only herbal colors. Don't use the chemical colors, because chemical color is very harmful for human skins.
Actually, so Sumit said we have to use herbal colors, not on chemical colors. Okay, next Christy will complete this topic or this session.
So everyone told many things about eco-friendly Holi and Holi celebration. So I would like to say some things that we should play Holi very carefully, because in today's generation some scams and some scams are coming, and which are fraud type, because the colors are not good and it's making allergies and infection in the human body. So it is so harmful for because people are consuming it. Some persons it is going in some eyes and other things. And as a part of eco-friendly, I have also seen some people that they are making some raw colors with the help of wheat flour, so that they can play Holi, and it cannot harm the people, just like they add color in it and make it dry after that. So it become a raw color. So it is a very nice way so that we can make the Holi perfectly. Thank you and happy Holi all of you.
Actually, so many people use some fake balloons. Okay, on Holi, some water balloons, some ripe color balloons. So we have to take care of ourselves. Means as much possible we have to stay at the home at the Holi time, not went anywhere. Means or not go anywhere. Just we have to stay at the home and just be play Holi with our friends and with means herbal colors. So actually every Holi, every person's I am wishing very happy Holi in advance. Okay, so that's complete. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.